Well, hello. If you like this video, click the like button. If you like the content you've seen, click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified of new content and premiere content, just click the bell button and select notify all, and you'll be notified every time there's a new video that comes out, or a premiere video. You'll be notified. Alright, I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Low carb tortilla crust homemade cheese pizza, Big Macs, cooking, and food reviews. Good morning, evening, afternoon, everyone. Whatever time it is in your area. It's been a while since I made a video. I had fallen and broke my fibula in my leg, and so I had to take it easy and rest for a couple of days. So. And I was in the process of making a video, and so this is gonna be what's gonna be an example of a future cooking video. It's a low carb cheese pizza on a tortilla crust I made myself, and it's very thin, very thin. Look at that. You see and you know me, I like a lot of sauce on my pizza, and I got regular Italian cheese and cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese on it. I cooked it in the oven, baked it in the oven on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Yep, kind of folded up a little bit. This isn't a large one. This is like a personal size one. You can get them at you get the crusts, you know, anywhere, any store. This is, I have to go back and look what brand it is, but it's a low carb, 6 grams of carbs, and yeah, that's all it is. This is my first time trying this, my first time making it, and it's pretty good. It came out real good. This one I'm going to give a 5. I'm going to give a 5 out of 5. I didn't make my own sauce this time. I just used jar sauce, but you can use whatever sauce you want. In the future video, I'm going to show you how I made it. Real simple. Anybody can do it. Your kids can even do it. Alright, thank you for watching. Sorry it's been a while since I made a video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for your support as well.